this poor hair really needs some serious TLC, which is one reason I am so excited for today's wash day. Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. You read that right in the title. Yes, we are doing a 100% Olaplex one brand wash day. I am so excited because Olaplex just recently launched a gel. I've been excited for this for a while. Olaplex is one of the original, if not the original, bond building products. When Olaplex number 3 launched, it was a revolution in hair care. It was the merging of science and hair, like for real. Like for real. What happened is when Olaplex was developed, some chemists were bored and went to some hairdressers and said, hey, what is the biggest problem in the hair care industry right now? We're gonna see if we can't solve it. The hairstylist said, well, when we bleach the hair, it's never the same. No matter what we do, some bonds are broken and we can't fix it. Well, the chemists figured out a way chemically to reconnect the disulfide bonds in the hair after they were broken from bleach. And Olaplex number 3 was born. And then everyone and their mother started coming out with some sort of bond building product. Well, today Olaplex has grown and expanded to the point where they have a new leave-in conditioner, which is excellent, really love that, and a gel. Now, for this particular one brand wash day, we're keeping it simple. We're doing the simple routine. My drugstore routine was not simple. I used all the products, but today I am using just 3 products, a shampoo, a rinse out conditioner, and a gel. I am literally itching to wash my hair. Sorry, that was probably TMI, but I haven't washed my hair in a few days and it really needs it. This is the before hair before we go wash in style. I need y'all to let me know in the comments down below if me showing the before hair is helpful to you, because I don't want to waste your time. I feel like it's almost unfair to compare hair that's needs to be washed, that's been in a bun for maybe a day, day and a half, to the final result, but it's also quite satisfying. So seriously, comment down below and let me know if me showing my nasty before hair is worth keeping in the videos. Okay, let's go wash in style. Welcome to my bathtub. I am so ready to wash my hair. First, I'm gonna be getting my hair nice and soaking wet, as always. Why? Because I can't wash it unless it's wet. Now I'm grabbing the Olaplex number 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. This stuff is concentrated. Let me say that again. It is super concentrated. Now maybe future Courtney will remember that next time she uses the shampoo. I've used it a few times and every time it gets me. It is so rich and creamy. It lathers beautifully. You don't need much. So I am doing my standard washing routine here, really scrubbing my scalp with the pads of my fingers and pulling the lather through the lengths of my hair. And now I'm gonna rinse it out and look happy about it. Now I'm going in for the second cleanse, and I should have just grabbed that first tiny dollop. I don't know why I did a double dollop. The reason that I enjoy double cleansing is that I am super oily, greasy, and I find that my scalp stays cleaner longer, is less inflamed, less itchy, less problematic if I just go ahead and cleanse twice on wash day. Pulling that lather through the lengths of my hair again and scrubbing my scalp with the pads of my fingers as I rinse. Now it's time for conditioner. This is the number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. Again, really concentrated. You really don't need much. I do find that with this conditioner, if I do grab too much, it actually has less slip than if I use less. So I'm gonna start by applying it on my mid-lengths to ends, but gently working it into my hair by finger detangling. And I am being super gentle here. It looks like I'm being kind of aggressive and rough, but I'm really not. Anytime I hit the slightest tangle, I stop, remove my fingers, and smooth stuff out. So now that all of the tangles have kind of fallen out of my hair, there's no more tangles, I'm gonna finish distributing that conditioner through my hair with the Bounce Curl defining brush. This is one of those dual bristle brushes where it has like faux boar bristle brushes along with detangling bristles. Is really cool. I'm just really making sure to evenly smooth that in from root to tip. Then I'm doing my secret weapon. I'm adding just a touch of water to the back of my head, and I'm doing something called squish to condition. This is where you add more water to your hair while it's full of conditioner and gently pulse and swoosh that conditioner into your hair. I find that it really helps reactivate the hydrogen bonds in my hair, especially when I've had it pulled back in a bun for a few days. Now I'm going to thoroughly rinse out that conditioner on every square inch of my everything and brush style my hair. I'm using that Bounce Curl defining brush again, and you can see my phone sitting there resting. I tried to film this from a different angle. The footage was terrible. Apparently I can only film from one angle, but if you've seen any of my other One Brand wash days, you kind of know what my brush styling routine is. This is just how I'm organizing my curl clumps before I apply stylers. Now, it's time for the awesome star of the show, the Olaplex number 10 hair gel. I really love the consistency of this gel. It's not crazy concentrated like the shampoo and the conditioner. I find that I need to use maybe slightly more than just a tiny bit when I'm styling my hair. Wow, that was a terrible description. You saw exactly how much I grabbed. I smoothed it out into my hands, and now I'm glazing it over my hair and scrunching and pulsing it in, making sure to turn my head from side to side as I scrunch this gel into my hair to make sure that I don't have any weird, tangled, wonky spots in the back of my head. Giving my hair a couple final scrunches with that gel, making sure that it's really evenly distributed. And let's take a look at these glorious wet curl clumps. Oh my goodness, this is looking so good. Now I'm just gonna go plot my hair and diffuse and be back to scrunch out the crunch with you guys. And here we are with the hair 100% dry. I feel like I've said that a lot. When you filmed one or two of these videos at a certain point, you just get repetitive. You run out of different ways to say things. Anyway, I diffused my hair to roughly 90% dry and then let it finish air drying in the cast. However, it's not really, I wouldn't call it a super hard cast. I did not use the leave-in conditioner today because I tried this wash day routine with the leave-in conditioner and it was okay, but this is what it was looking like by the end of the day. It wasn't terrible, but I didn't love it. It was slightly too soft. And so I wound up brushing it out because my hair was really soft and silky thanks to these products. I think the leave-in conditioner and this gel have a decent amount of slip. Anyway, that's why I skipped the leave-in conditioner today. Where was I? Oh yes, let's scrunch out this crunch. It is 100% dry, no leave-in conditioner, but I still didn't get a super hard cast. I got kind of a medium-ish cast. And you know what? I usually trim this part out, but I'm gonna try and keep it in the video today. Let's angle this down. And what I like to do is really fluff my roots upside down to kind of break up this weird wonkiness that I can get at my roots. There we go. Okay. Oh, I have hair in my mouth. And then I like to fluff my roots right side up. Okay, this gel is so interesting to me because it's one of those that you can run your fingers down your hair and your curls don't like floof and fall apart immediately. It's got some like hydrating properties and some hold properties. I wouldn't call it the most crazy hard hold gel of all time. I would say medium hold from my previous experience, but I'm interested to see how this wash day does with no leave-in conditioner. All right, let's take a look at the back and see the final wash day result. I really like how my hair feels. Each time, I've washed my hair like 3 or 4 times in a row at this point with these products, really playing around with them, doing some of my styling break type routines where I don't style my hair at all. I just shampoo, condition, a little bit of leave-in conditioner and let it air dry, and then styled it a couple of times. Each time I have washed my hair with these products, my hair has felt better and better, which is really interesting. And it's not getting super weird and wonky on me. It's just getting like softer and more hydrated feeling. Back, I think it was like 4 years ago at this point, I played around with the Olaplex #3 for the first time on my virgin hair. I had no bleach, no highlights in it, and I just used the Olaplex to see if it would make my curls a whole lot better. And it worked really well on my hair. Like I got really good curls on the wash day that I used it, but then I felt like my hair started acting weird after that. I don't know why, but I had a really hard time styling my hair. Maybe it was a weather change, maybe it was a haircut gone wrong, I'm not sure, but I kind of blamed the Olaplex #3 for my weird wash days, but I'm not feeling that way about these products. I'm only noticing good things. Anyway, this is what the hair was looking like at the end of the day after running errands, chasing my kiddos around, and basically just living my wild and crazy mom life. And because I know you love it, this is what the hair looked like on the morning of day 2, straight out of the pineapple, 0 refresh, no work done here. This is what the hair was looking like on the morning of day 2. As always, if you really feel like these products are the products for you, you're interested in trying them, I will have them linked here in the video so that you can try them out for yourself. And as always, I sure hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.